Welcome to our guide on creating a public list on Twitter using your PC. Let's walk through the steps to set up a new list. Start by visiting your profile page on Twitter. Navigate to the navigation bar and click on Lists. At the top of the page, click on the Create New List icon. Provide a name and a brief description for your list. Choose whether you want the list to be public. Click Next to proceed. You can now search for and add people to your list. Once you've added all desired members, click Done to finalize your public list creation. By following these steps, you can easily create a public list on Twitter to organize and categorize accounts based on your interests or preferences. Thank you for watching, and we hope this tutorial helps you create and manage public lists on Twitter. Organize your Twitter experience by creating public lists to stay informed and engaged with specific groups of users. Start building your public lists today for a more tailored and enriching social media experience.